Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Honda CRV key battery. First, make sure you have the right tools ready: a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR1616 battery. It's important to work in a well-lit area to see all the small components clearly. This simple process will have your key fob working like new in just a few minutes, restoring full functionality to your vehicle's remote. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for a small slot, usually on the side where the key ring attaches. Insert your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. Apply gentle pressure and carefully twist the screwdriver. You should hear a slight click as the two halves of the key fob begin to separate. Take your time to avoid damaging the plastic casing. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Take a moment to note its orientation, usually with the positive side facing up. Gently pry out the old CR1616 battery using your screwdriver or fingernail. Now, insert the new CR1616 battery, ensuring the positive side, marked with a plus sign, faces upwards, just like the old one. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing and press them together until they click securely into place. Once reassembled, test your key fob immediately to ensure it locks and unlocks your Honda CRV doors properly. If it doesn't work, double-check the battery orientation. Also, remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.